2012 I have completed my BE. So after that I need to update myself. Every year I can see course structure and the modifications done by the team. The question paper toughness increased semester by semester.
It was like someone is taking a class in my room. Because they can do it simultaneously along with another course. It adds more value to their career.
So I think people should be open on these courses.
The students can have the out-of-box thinking by attending these NPTEL courses.
When I was studying, I was able to associate myself with the role models whom I had.
This is Dr. R. Murali Raja
Suryavarshini.
I'm Sonia.
Dr. Vijay Ramnath.
Architect Arulmala Ramaraj.
From Wales Institute of Science, Technology and Advanced Studies. I am working as Associate Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering.
And I work in Alumni and Corporate Relation Office in IIT Madras.
Professor in HRD Department, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Sairam Engineering College.
Working with IIT Madras and ICSR.
Department of Architecture, Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology.
I have done metrology touring.
Moral thinking and ethics and values.
Labor laws.
On Introduction to Composite Materials.
Past 4 years I am writing the exam. Every year I can see course structure and the modifications done by the team. The question paper toughness increased semester by semester. Our management also is supporting and reclaim the amount what we are paying here. Our institute awarded with the star faculty in NPTEL. Best thing encouraging the students and also faculties to write the examination. So other than that, the course structure and the ease of exam is also very good. They are not only designing this for the faculty or for the student. Everybody can write this examination. Even for the industrial persons also can appear for this exam. In 2012 I have completed my BE. So after that I need to update myself. And also the syllabus course structure every day for the industrial impact we are changing the syllabus. So in that way I need to update myself to deliver to the student. So I am regularly updating myself in the core area in mechanical engineering so that I can update to the students, and also I'm one of the role model for the students to encourage them to appear for the examination so that they are doing their course along with me. So we are doing it in a group way. This will be very useful, and also for students for interview purpose and all, it will be very helpful because you are well versed in one particular subject, means you can tell the recruiter that I am strong in this field. So the chances of getting recruitment is very good for them.
About the course, it was wonderful. It was like someone is taking a class in my room. So it was that comfort. And the feedbacks and whatever we have in the course, it is explained clearly, and the questions also is related to the course which we studied. So it was very useful. We get everything at our doorstep. That is the main concern. I don't need to go somewhere else to take up this course, or I don't need to waste my time or investment also. I can take it in my own comfort zone. It is a very useful course. They can do it simultaneously along with another course. Like if they are a college student, they can do it as a part-time. They have to dedicate their time. That is more important. Even for working profession, I could see more students in working profession today. So it adds more value to their career. So it is wonderful actually. Thank you.
NPTEL is structuring a very feasible module for people who are working, and I see a lot of students around. So the structure is very easy to understand and easy to access, keeping all the challenges that the new age working people or even people who are studying, keeping that in mind. The course is very feasible and very effective. The MCQs given are very relevant. So yes, very nicely planned structure. The timelines are not very elaborate. It's very quick, and the accessibility of the course is also very easy. And unlike other courses, this is powered by the National Learning Program, so it is more weightage. So yes, definitely I'm in for more courses. See, learning it's not time bound. It's always, and opportunities like this helps us to update more on the changing trends, operations, as well as the learning structure. So I think people should be open on these courses without seeing that if it is in the scope of your interest. I think people should go ahead.
Which gave a lot of insight about the composite materials and the various processing incorporated in fabrication of composite materials. With respect to course content, the course content was very nicely defined by the author who are handling the subject. Also, the outline which they gave as essence of the conclusion part of the material was very nice. So, which can be useful for the students for preparing for their examination. Moreover, with respect to the subject is concerned, nowadays the emerging trend, more scientists and industries are fabricating new materials. They are focusing on developing new materials for aerospace, marine and missile application. And in space applications also, new materials are required. So this subject, Introduction to Composite Materials, may give a lot of insight for the students and moreover the researchers who are doing research in the area of materials and properties evaluation. So we can update our basic knowledge. So already we are specialists in the materials. By attending these type of courses, we can give a lot of input for the students, how best they can enhance their basic capabilities and potential about the particular subject. Because we are conventionally handling the subject, here some experts are handling the classes so that the students can have the out-of-box thinking by attending these NPTEL courses. I am working in composite materials. I published more than 200 papers in composite materials. Even though I want to know what is the content available in the course. So we make this NPTEL subject as mandatory for the students. The students should write minimum 3 or 4 papers as per their wish, which may be along with their curriculum also. So we are having separate training session for the students. We appointed mentors, faculty members who are specialists in the particular area. For example, in composite materials, 2 or 3 faculty members are working in the composite materials. We make them as a mentor and we are giving training on the content of the NPTEL material also, so that students will get the very good idea. And with respect to my point is concerned, this time all the students will get to clear the subject with a very good mark. Okay, thank you.
It was a course which was actually offered by Professor Atasi Mohanty from IIT Kharagpur, if I'm not wrong. And the content was really vast, but I think I managed to understand the various concepts right from contemplative education to that of reflective practice, as well as how this educational leadership is associated with Millennium Goals and sustainable goals in today's context. I think the content was interesting, and I think I have done my exam well. No, it was very interesting because the content which ma'am had prepared, it was very diverse and vast, and not only that, lots of ideas. She gave lots of insights about various topics which were really new to me. And when I was studying, I was able to associate myself with the role models whom I had, not only in my institution but also in other institutions. And with that, I started remembering all the points which she discussed, and that's how I went about writing my exam. Yeah. A number of courses I have written, right from outcome-based education to design thinking to that. I mean, my courses, whatever courses I choose, it is all from different disciplines. Because this is a term which I learned from this course, Hutagogy. It is self-determined learning, and which actually looks for educational leadership in academic domain. And apart from that, I'm unraveling myself into various dimensions, not only about the education and academics, but it is also has given me an amazing insight about my character also.